If your long video is not appearing in Facebook Reels, then here are the possible ways to fix it. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, search for the Facebook app. You can go to the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Tap on the Facebook and check for the updates and install the latest version. Also know that videos should be in MP4 or MOV format with a vertical aspect ratio 9:16 for the Facebook Reels. If you uploaded it as a regular video post, it won't appear in Reels. Also, sometimes video takes time to process before appearing. First of all, go to the settings and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, you will get to see a long list of apps option available. From there, scroll down, tap on the Facebook, then tap on the upload app option available there and upload the app and reinstall it. Also know that Facebook may block videos with copyrighted music, logos or restricted content. So that is it. Also try waiting for a few hours because sometimes Facebook delays video processing. Contact Facebook support if the issue persists. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.